Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be about sending my Hermes Birkin 35 to a bag spa. I will share with you which company I went for, what services I asked for them to do on my purse, the entire cost, the packaging, shipping, insurance, and also I will post at the end of the video pictures of the bag before I send it to the bag spa. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Anne. I've been collecting luxury items since October of 2018. If you wanted to see my small collections, I will link in the description below. If you also like videos about unboxings, reviews, what fits in a bag, and things like that, please like and subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell button for you to be notified of my upcoming videos. So, without further ado, let's start this video. So the name of the bag is Hermes Birkin 35 Epsom leather palladium hardware in crocus color. I've purchased this bag from an online reseller for a very good price actually. Before they sell it, they had it authenticated already, so I know from the get-go that this bag is authentic. But when I received the bag already and it's in my possession, I re-authenticated it again through Baba Baby. I will link in the description below the name of the authenticator that I've used, which is Baba Baby. She is known for authenticating Hermes bags for many years. So when I had this bag in 2018, that's the time that I've purchased it, I've already used it for 2 years and noticed that there's already collar rubs on the front of the strap. There is also a corner rub which is over here. This is the main corner rub that I've seen on this purse. Also here, a little bit of rub in there, and this one as well. Also there is some rubs on the bottom as well. The feet and the hardwares are all intact. There's no issues on any hardwares of this bag. So aside from the collar rub that is an issue, I also see creases on the bottom of the bag, which is here, and also on the back, which is this one. So yeah, if you could see that. And this one, there's also like bulging over here already. The major thing that I want this bag to be done is the structure of the bag. Epsom leather tends to hold the structure of the bag more as compared to the Togo or Clemence leather. But this one, if you will see, the leather already stretched out, so I wanted it to be more firm and more structured. No major issues in terms of repair for this bag. There is no leather splitting inside. The zipper works good. There's some stretching on the side pocket over here, and also the inside of the bag has a slight like makeup residue. If you will see the glitter in there, I also wanted it to be spun and cleaned up. But the glazing itself, the glazing of the bag has no issues. The hardware are very good condition. There is no major repair that needs to be done on the hardware. Very minimal hairline scratches that I've seen on the hardware. So overall, there is no major repair that needs to be done on this purse. It's just like an aesthetic bag spa that needs to be done on this bag. It's just the collar rubs on the straps, on the corner of the bag, the stretched leather. I'm hoping that they could rehydrate the leather again and make it more firm and structured so the stretched leather will disappear. and also to clean up the inside of the bag. So the company that I reached out and will send my bag to is called Leather Surgeons. Leather Surgeons is a authentication, repair, and restoration company that is located in Pennsylvania here in the States. So what I did was that I emailed them and then I told them about the services that I wanted to do on my bag. I also sent them pictures with it. I took pictures of the rubs over here on the corner, the stretch leather and all that stuff, and they gave me a quote of $475, but that doesn't include shipping and insurance. So what you do is that you tell them the stuff that you wanted to have repaired or restored, and then they will give you a link. That link, you will download 2 documents, like 2 paperworks. The first one is the service request form and the other one is the shipping label. So the service request form looks like this. So you just need to fill this out and you need to put this paperwork together with the bag when you ship it out. On the other hand, the shipping label, you will put all your shipping address, shipping information, and you could also have the option to put insurance on it. The max insurance that you can put is $5,000. So I put $5,000 max, and it is only one way. They will charge you both ways for the insurance. So you might probably ask me why I went with Leather Surgeons and not with Hermes Spa. The primary reason why I went with Leather Surgeons is that basically they ticked off all the wish list that I wanted to be done on this purse. Back in 2018, when I went to the Hermes store in Madison Avenue in New York City, because I'm working in Manhattan. So I brought this bag and they gave me a quote for $275 for a basic spa. But basic spa means that they will only do the outside of the bag and nothing with the interior of the bag. They will do nothing on the interior. Basically, they will not touch the interior of the bag. They will probably repigment the collar rubs and the corner rubs, but they will not deal with any stretched leather. They will not deal with the structure of the bag, the crease, the dents, or whatsoever. It's just the outside of the bag. It's just a basic spa. If you have like a splitting leather inside of the bag, glazing issues, the top handles are already separating, or major issues on the hardware, they could do that, but they will send it to Paris. So they will send it to Paris, meaning you have to wait like 6 to 8 months for it to be done. So I went with Leather Surgeons for the primary reason that all my wish list that I wanted to be done on this purse will be done. So that's that. Also, the turnaround time for the restoration or the spa that they're gonna do on my purse is between 3 to 4 weeks. So the only downside of going to another bag restoration services is that once Hermes finds out that your bag has been touched, restored, altered, refurbished by another bag spa services or another bag spa restoration company, they will never ever touch your Birkin or any Hermes bags again. So that's another thing to be considered, that once you go with another restoration bag services, you will lose the exclusivity or a lifetime repair for any of your Birkin bags. Alright guys, so that's the reason why I'm sending this Hermes Birkin 35 to a bag spa with Leather Surgeons. Also, as promised, I'm gonna put detailed pictures of this bag before I send it off, how I package it and ship it to Leather Surgeons.